Today on the channel, we'll be looking at Walgreens exclusive Marvel Legends series, Marvel's Jigsaw from the Supervillains wave on Way I Got It Figured.
The way I got it figured.
Hey out there in action figure land, this is the Sheriff at Way I Got It Figured with another Marvel Legends review. This time, Jigsaw from Marvel Comics. So we got Jigsaw in his packaging. Back, and this blurb reads, Jigsaw is a criminal with the heart as twisted and gruesome as his once beautiful face. So Jigsaw is an enemy of the Punisher primarily, although I'm sure he's mixed it up here and there with a couple of other super types. I was very excited to get this figure. You know, I'm not a huge Jigsaw fan. I don't want to make it sound like that, but I was definitely enamored with all the accessories that he was going to be coming with. So he comes with 2 knives, a shotgun with smoke and blast effects, and a baseball bat. I like blast effects. I'm gonna be right up front with you, and let you know I'm definitely a blast effect mark. So without further ado, we're gonna get Jigsaw here out of the package. Alright, so we've loosed Jigsaw from his packaging. A little bio on the character. His real name is William Billy Russo, and before he had a run-in with the Punisher, he was an extremely handsome man that was called Billy the Beaut. He works for the Magia, or at least he worked for the Magia, which is the Marvel Universe equivalent of the Mafia. Instead of killing him for whatever reason, the Punisher continually smashed his face through a plate glass window repeatedly, essentially mutilating him to the point where his face could never be repaired by any kind of surgery. I never wanted to miss an opportunity. Billy sort of renamed himself Jigsaw and continued to be more along the lines of a criminal mastermind who obviously hates the Punisher for, justifiable reason. So the Punisher didn't kill him, and I suppose after that has been unable to kill him. And so he runs around generally causing problems for the Punisher. I got this figure, one, because I like to have a hero for every villain, but this time I got a villain for the hero in the sense that I actually got Jigsaw before I got a Punisher figure to go with him. Punisher was on my list of guys to get. I just hadn't gotten around to getting one yet. I couldn't decide which Punisher I wanted, but I was mainly struck by the amount of accessories that Jigsaw was going to come with. So he does come with, he comes with the weapons I showed you in the package, as well as this neck brace that's on him in the package, but I took it off just to show it as an additional accessory. I like how his colors are sort of in juxtaposition of the Punisher. It's kind of cool. And then suited bad guys, or suited henchmen, or whatever, suited guys are kind of a thing with Marvel Legends collectors. So this is my first suit guy. Yeah, so I do have another suit guy coming up, but we'll get to him later. So basically, I'm gonna go over the figure and his articulation, which is, of course, the normal Marvel Legends articulation. He does have ab crunch like every other one. He does have waist articulation, but of course his suit jacket is going to hinder how much of that he can actually do. Face sculpt is pretty detailed. It looks like because he's a Walgreens exclusive, that's why he's coming with so many accessories. I mean, he comes with, you know, G.I. Joe classified levels of accessories, you know, and then G.I. Joe classified figures don't even, at least as yet, get any kind of blast effects to go with them. So I'm gonna make him look, you know, like Jigsaw now by putting his neck brace on as he appears. He's got a neck brace, so and it fits nice and neatly on his jawline. Doesn't really hinder his articulation too much on the head and neck area. So yeah, so now I'll adorn him with some accessories. Alright, so here's Jigsaw with a couple of accessories. His double barrel shotgun with the blast effect and one of these smoke things. Since it's a double barrel, you can shoot one at a time, and you can't really put both in anyway without you know, knocking the other one out. So I would like to have him look a little bit better. I don't want to force it or bend something out of the way, but I, you know, trying to get him to do kind of a bat pose, you know, with the bat over his shoulder. Yeah, so, you know, looks cool. Accessoried up. And here is the Punisher, who I recently acquired. I believe this is the retro carded Punisher. I bought them loose, and I wanted to have both figures in the video juxtaposed against each other. So there you go, Punisher, Jigsaw, standing side by side. Punisher. Let's see what we can do here. It's not really believable for Jigsaw to be shooting a shotgun with one hand. He's not a super person. He's just a person. Something more action oriented. Two guys that hate each other, Jigsaw and the Punisher. Final thoughts. I would go as far as to say Jigsaw's possibly a more or less, you know, important character to have. The Punisher being the Punisher. Doesn't have a lot of villains that survive, right? His own villains. And so Jigsaw is, of course, notable in that regard. So I like the figure. It's a guy in a suit, of course, but he's got nice accessories, including the baseball bat, which comes with the Tombstone figure, which is a Spider-Man retro figure. And this bat is, of course, got paint apps, whereas the one that comes with Tombstone is just a bat, as you will see coming up. Next week, I'm going to be doing a Spider-Man week, so a lot of Spider-Man stuff coming. So anyway, way I got it figured, I'm gonna give Jigsaw a rank of 8, a little bit better than 7. I wouldn't go as far as to say a 9. But he's packed with accessories, and if you like accessories like I do, couldn't miss them. So there you go, Jigsaw, Marvel Legends 8. I'm gonna end it here, and hopefully you like the content. You can subscribe, leave a comment, give a like if you can. I want to thank you for watching the video, and I do have more comment coming, so please click notifications. Until the next one, everybody, please stay safe out there. This is the Sheriff, and Way I Got It Figured, signing off.